I'm here at the bottom of Walking Street in Pattaya to view a new museum that's just opened, and it only opened a couple of days ago. So let's have a look. And the museum is called Love in the Museum. This is the outside, 15 plus. Love Museum. You can't miss it. It's down right at the bottom of Walking Street. This is over the top of the ticket. These are the lovely girls that will meet and greet you. So let's go in and have a look. I don't know what this is all about, but we will have a look. It's an art museum, predominantly for arts, crafts, the body, the soul, and nature, as I believe. We've got some lovely little sculptures. These are the ladies, and these are the men at the top. And as you come in, you're greeted with this bit of sculpture. Is this two souls but with a single thought, two hearts that beat as one. So far, quite impressive. Everything smells of paint, freshly painted walls, etc. But let's carry on and see what the rest is about. Pinocchio has got his nose in the wrong place.
Baby,
And these are the steps that you walk up to the figuratively placed pearly gates. This one's called Love Begins with Nature. Adam and Eve, I suppose, representation. Now that's what you call a real pain in the butt.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Get there, glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want.
And like everything, when you finish the exhibition, you come into the shop area. Well, there's always a shop area everywhere you go, so you can buy your perfumes, body oils, all your fragrances here. So there you have it. It's the that's the Love in the Museum in Pattaya. It's at the end of Walking Street. You can't miss it. There's the all the directions in the street, so it'll tell you, direct you where to go. So if you're around here, give it a go. It's quite interesting. And like most things, if you like that, give us a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, make a comment, and I will respond to any comments made. But in the meantime, stay safe, stay well, and I will see you on the next one.